Hello, welcome to my channel. Today Pranesh and I is getting together to do the cooking. Yesterday we cut a whole chicken into pieces and marinated it with the chicken tikka, and Pranesh will link the chicken tikka recipe to you. And this morning Pranesh has braised the chicken so you can get the smoky flavor into the chicken. Now we're going to use the chicken to make a lovely chicken tikka masala. For my ingredient, these are the braised chicken, of which I'm going to cover and keep it aside. My ingredients for my masala: I've cut a large onions, half a cup of oil. Here I have a tablespoon of ginger garlic, a teaspoon of whole jeera, and 3 bay leaf, and a piece of cinnamon stick, and a teaspoon of salt to taste. For my spices, I have a tablespoon of mixed masala, a tablespoon of pure chili powder, and a tablespoon of chicken tikka masala, 1 teaspoon of hurdee, 1 teaspoon of garam jeera powder, and 1 teaspoon of dhania powder. I'm using a can of tomato, which is 400 gram, and I'll also use 1 cup of water in the cooking, half a cup of yogurt, and half of this 250 fresh cream, which will be 125. Then I have some greens to braise. I have my curry leaf and my thyme, and then to garnish I have some fresh dhania and spring onions. Now I'm ready to make our masala. I've got my stove on moderate heat. I'm just gonna put in my half a cup of oil to my pan. I wait for a little while for the oil to just heat up. I'm going to add my onions to the oil. I'll allow these onions to fry till it's soft. The onions have turned soft, so to my onions I'm using the cinnamon stick, the bay leaf, my thyme, and my curry leaf. Together, I'm putting in my whole jeera, the ginger garlic, I'm adding in my spices, which is the mixed masala, the pure chili powder, the hurdee, and the jeera powder, and my chicken tikka masala to it. And this garam powder, I will use it in the end. To my masala, I'm going to add in my can of tomatoes, I'm rinsing my can out with some water. I'm adding my salt to my tomato and I'll allow this to cook till the tomatoes are done. The tomatoes is halfway cooked and we had the remainder of the marinade in this bowl. So I added a cup of water to it and I'm just going to pour it into the chutney so it can cook out. I will give this another 5 minutes. My tomatoes are cooking thoroughly. I'm just adding in my half a cup of yogurt to it. I give this a nice mix. To this, I'm gonna place in my braised chicken. I will give this a nice mix so the gravy can seep into the chicken. Now I'll cover this and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. 5 minutes has passed. To this point, I'm going to add in half a cup of water and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. And then the tikka masala is done. Another 5 minutes has passed and our chicken tikka masala is ready. Firstly, I'm going to sprinkle in my garam masala. And then a little bit of spring onions and some fresh dhania to it. Here I have half a cup of my fresh cream. I'm just going to pour in. I'm going to switch my stove off and we are ready to serve. There we are, a lovely chicken tikka masala made by Pranesh and me. This is the way Pranesh always loved making his chicken tikka. Very simple, smoky, delicious, served with homemade garlic naan that will accompany our chicken tikka masala. Check out our recipe for our naan. In the recipe for the naan, I made plain butter naan. This time we added a little bit of crushed garlic to the butter and made it into garlic butter naan. Thank you all for watching and enjoy and give the thumbs up for Pranesh.